Open House Sunday February 4th, 12:30 to 2:30. Wonderful opportunity to expand your vacation rental portfolio or great year-round residence. This move-in ready home offers spacious open-concept living. As you enter the home from oversized two-car garage, you are greeted with fresh paint colors on the walls, carefree laminate floors, updated kitchen with plenty of cupboard and counter space, a cozy gas fireplace, large living and dining spaces, great flex space. For extra beds, office, den area. The main floor boasts large primary suite with updated bath and guest bedroom with updated main bath. The open concept and large bedrooms and bath make this home quite handicap accessible too. The lower level hosts a family room and flex room. There is also a large laundry room with plenty of storage space. Outside you will find a large deck overlooking lake for summer barbecues and gatherings. You will absolutely love the sandy bottom waterfront with home located in Little Cove area with less boat traffic for swimmers to enjoy. Ackley Lake is an all-sports lake and has access to Maple Lake that goes under M40. You can kayak, paddle board, or get smaller boats through the tunnel and expand your lake fun. This property has been used as vacation rental for past 2 summers and has been easy to rent out and able to cover owners' expenses. Short walk, bike, or drive to downtown Paw Paw. Enjoy wine and beer tastings downtown at one of local wineries and brew pubs. Listen to live music at the restaurants and breweries. Enjoy shopping, local fruit and vegetable markets. There is always something going on in Paw Paw. Located off from I-94 in the heart of wine country and just 30 minutes to South Haven and Lake Michigan. Only 2